Hey guys, I am back with another SkinStar Box unboxing, opening, and I thought I would do it in front of the Christmas tree because all the lighting, I'm just going to test all the lighting in my house to see what works best. This is better than the November box, so let's go with it. So if this is your first video of SkinStar Box of mine that you're watching, SkinStar Box is a company in South Korea that curates South Korean skincare beauty brands and sends them to beauty influencers and things in the United States. I'm not sure if they do anywhere else. Right now you can't buy this box specifically, but you can buy products. So I'll put some information about SkinStar Box below. So this is their holiday box, and inside it tells you all of the information that you need to use the products that's inside. So on the top it says holiday skincare tips. Embrace the skin that has gone through a lot during this year, and care for the skin so that it is radiant just like the first snow for the coming year. So it breaks it down into comfy, rehydrating, soothing care, and then healing night care with abundant nutrients. And then over here, if you just want to focus on cleansing, skin care, special care, it breaks it down up there as well. And then over here, they put some nice little holiday details on this, but this kind of mimics exactly what's inside. It gives you a little bit of detail on the product because some of them are all in Korean, so it's, you know, you wouldn't be able to read it if you don't speak Korean, but it'll tell you it over here, and then when I open this up, this will kind of, oh, cute, show you the same exact products that's inside here, so you can match them up. So first, they sent some stickers, I believe. It's cute. Oh, it's like stickers of all the products. Cute. So I'm going to go through cleansing, skincare, and special care, and then I'll tell you which category each of them fall into, the comfy, rehydrating, soothing care, or if it's a product for healing night care. So first is the cleansing. There's one cleansing product which is leaking. I think it's okay, but it's an oil, so it's this Brtc Anti-Pollutant Blackhead Cleansing Oil. The bottle's really nice, but it did leak in here. So I'm going to just kind of pull everything else out so it doesn't get, I mean, it's okay, it didn't leak a lot, but, so the cleansing oil is, for fine dust to blackheads, it's a cleansing oil that washes off the skin thoroughly with its mild plant oil. So this is used for nighttime, it suggests. So at the end of the day, you can take off your makeup and stuff with this. Next for skincare, it is the Brtc Centennial Cica Toner in a pad, which is awesome. I love these. This is the first time I'm trying the Centennial Cica Toner, but I've tried their pads before and they are amazing. So right here is the toner in a pad in a nice green container. And what it says about that is, with its rich Sentinel aesthesia extract that's great for skin calming, this toner pad quickly soothes sensitive skin. So what I use these for is after cleansing, it's kind of my last step in my cleansing routine, first step in like moisturizing serum type stuff. So it's my like transitioned into putting on skincare instead of taking off like the day. So I really love these. They are so nice. I have loved every different one that I've tried so far. Next is another CLIV Amoppole. So this is the Hyaluronic Propolis Soothing Amoppole. This says, with its Propolis energy drawn from high-density honey, this Amoppole provides soothing and nourishing benefits for sensitive skin. So I love honey in products. I've tried pharmacy products with honey in it, and I absolutely love them. So this will be great. What it says down here is to use it for soothing skincare. So this is great for strengthening the skin's barrier. I would put this on before I put on any sort of moisturizer and let it sink in. So this will be great for winter. So there you have that nice pretty glass bottle. I love their Amoppoles. Then I have the Essen Beauty Ceramide Alto Green Barley Cream, and this is a deep moisturizer that protects and strengthens your skin. And let me see if it says anything in addition over here. This product has completed its human application test for sensitive skin, containing Jeju Island's green barley and ceramide. It's a skin defense cream that invigorates the skin. So this is awesome. I've used this already. It is very calming, very gentle, very nice, very soothing. So really love that. And then also in skincare is the Brtc Panthenol sleeping pack, and this strengthens the skin barrier, and it's heat relief complex. The high moisture cream strengthens and weakens the skin barrier with the Panthenol ingredients while you sleep. So with a sleeping pack, if you've never used one before, they're great. After you've done your serum, your moisturizer, anything else that you're going to put on your face before you go to bed, you put on a sleeping pack to kind of like lock it all in and give you some extra moisturizer, and you wake up and like it's a little sticky tacky when you go to sleep, but you wake up and your skin is so nice and soft. So cannot wait to try this. I love Brtc. They're great. And then for special care, like they usually do, SkinStar Box, is that they gave CLIV Hyaluronic Propolis Soothing Amoppole Mask. So like I said before, you can pair these together or use them separately. If you just want to do a sheet mask one day, you can just do this, but you could also put this on below the sheet mask, put this on top, whatever you want to do. There's 5 sheet masks in here. These are really great, and it's also really great because you can share these with your friends. Okay, and then another product I've tried before is the PureHeals Propolis 50 Volume Mist, and this also is made with honey, so to go in with the moisturizing honey theme. This is just a any time of day mist that you can spray on your skin at any time, with makeup, without. It looks like this. It's a plastic bottle, so it's not super heavy. You could carry it with you if you like. It's really, really lovely, and let me see if it says anything additional. It says containing 50% of Propolis extract, the 21 kinds of plant oil, and honey glow mist offers radiance to the skin. So super nice. And then lastly, something I'm so excited about because I love lip products is the Brtc Sentinel Cica Lip Balm. I've already tried this because the second I got this, I had to open it up. It's so cute. This is going to go right by my bedside table. I can never have enough lip balms. Looks like this. It's just a white, clear balm that goes on your lips, and it is extra hydrating and stuff for the winter. So that is everything in the December box. I cannot wait to try these products. If you guys have any suggestions of things you would like me to film, just let me know. I'm here. I'm mostly free to do whatever, so I would be happy to do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.